kinda fly. We beat the gangsta town, the niggas that like to stay high. The land of big diamonds, y'all. Palm trees, low riders, and movie stars. Where fools be mobbing, we the real. Original jacking is an art. Funk niggas get their caps peeled. And the hoes ain't scared to show they body. They wear the fly shit and freaks the set party. Give it up. And the hoes wearing baggy shit. They showing the world why niggas out in pussy whip. They got niggas going to pins, got niggas stealing ends. For friends, for foes, for shows, and more hoes. Cause they cost a grip to live on the west coast. Cause we be flossing, we leave the world in comatose. It's all about the paper here. So here my dear, roll me up a little chronic. Cause LA got the bionic.
So you got to have heart to live in Cali, y'all. You got to have the fly shit to live in Cali, y'all. It'll cost you a grip to live in Cali, y'all. See the hoes be legit when you live in Cali, y'all.
They say it never rains in Southern California. That's what they tell me. These with the big bank, gold wire players. Living it up just to be a whole player. All West Coast Cali, fuck, we got them running in flocks. Now Freddy's dead, but this partner super chicken got shipped to the dope spot. And like KMG, they said them hoes be trippin'. Cause bitches be setting a nigga up when you're off flossing, still tossing. Yeah, I'm bound to break bread. Wake up in the morning, find a motherfucking bullet in my head. But it's alright if your game is hooked up tight. And in the summertime, riders on shoulders. I wish you all could be California. You save up for winter from slinging dope to get a fly ride to Brazil. Funkin' on them switches for the bitches. This is how the West Ball. Say, call me Mr. Flossy, dollar bill, y'all.
Yeah, and that's the West Coast anthem, Cali style.
Straight
boy.
up, straight up. Yo, how your day go when we be like flows and round?
Set it off for him. It's the first of the month and I just came up. I'm headed to the shop to put some rims on my truck. Yeah, and you know I'm like cold on them hoes. Cause I'm rolling in that black on black 454. It's time for me to check my connect, so I can be on deck before them fiends get their county checks. I left about 11:15. I spotted this fly cutie and some car G's. And you know I'm on them go ones, so here she come, here she motherfucking kitty come. Oh shit, it's Sabrina from Cavina. I hope she don't remember that I toast her cousin Tina. She probably don't care anyway, cause bitches out in Cali got game for days. She needed a ride to the mall, I said stole, I got shit to do. I ain't got no time to be fucking with you. And plus do I look like a cab, turn the Alpine up, then I stab. It was hot like a motherfucker, headed to the store. Saw a couple of little homies kicking it at the front door. They said, yo, hook us up, man. Bought them a 40, for me I got a tall can. I said, peace, don't be tripping little comrades, but I should be worrying about my own ass.
Yeah, cause we on hit to bring you the fly shit, to make you feel pressure. Cause Cali will test your comrades still hanging, my niggas still banging, and there's a whole lot of niggas still moving, yeah.
Because it's highly compatible to come up. You gotta have heart and you gotta have a lot of luck. So if I hear you saying Cali ain't shit, yo, you probably visited the valley, little bitch.
Tell 'em, Baba.
Let's make a slap trip.
Mandatory winning when I'm raising the stakes. I had to sacrifice a lot, so I earned this place. I'm at a pace they couldn't understand. Now when niggas try to move, I got the upper hand. Living one day at a time when I'm focused on the craft. Heartbroken, got no money, you do the math. Driving up the 5 and I'm making plays daily. I'm only getting better, now my peace of mind pays me. They could've knocked the hustle cause they didn't get it. I got a plan to start a business, moving independent. Only right, how I'm getting to the revenue and living the life. Curving women with no morals, well she ain't my type. You can find me on the east in the bubble caprice. I maneuver with the lesson that I learned in the streets. passionate, I knew because my heart is in it, and that's real shit. Because I'm way too hot. I need another game winner and I made my shot. They can't believe I'm only elevated. I hear them talking but they hate it cause they never made it. Getting everything I wanted and I see the vision. Stayed 100 when I knew this what the game was missing. Can't fake the funk, I did dirt but I laid my roots. Now the shit from money trees made the pain reduce. See my confidence back, a whole other lap. Hold up, fresh off a tour, my pocket is fat. When everybody folded, had to keep it solid. Now I keep a couple hundreds in my dicky pocket. I see the sun come up, say a prayer that I find my way. Concentrated on the cheddar, take it day by day. Higher living cause I pay the price. I never gamble but to win you gotta roll the dice. And that's real shit. Seen this before. Cheese and bread like Olive Garden in the bank. Got no limit like I'm a penny with a tank. Life too good, I don't stress on a bitch. Wanna be the greatest to do it and get rich. Remember when I hit my licks, commit crimes? I don't gotta be in the streets, they been mine. And that's real shit, what I gotta deal with. Sipping on some Hennessy, I'm tripping in concealed clip. Came from the bottom, got some motion, now I'm on top. Shining on the block like I'm living on some odd rocks. Damn, if they gon' hate, they gon' watch from the stands. And we might link, but I'm not your man. Then dodge it like I'm from LA, but on a Friday, moving like I'm Usher, cause I get the money my way. Here I come, here I come, here I come. Made for fun, made for fun. Here I come, here I come, here I come. Made for fun, made for fun, made for fun. Slick DJs, slick DJs, slick DJs. Like a Mac, I bust like a Mac. My bandana black, turn your bro into a pack. What I do, you couldn't do if you wanted. 1-1, but still I keep it 100. On the 110, got a shorty off gauge. Grew up like a dog, now they want me in a cage. Got bail money, I ain't tripping on the price. I like my water warm, so I'm yelling fuck ice. Posted on the block, not Minecraft. Like I'm counting loose change where the dime's at. Found one and I hit it in the back seat. Dug deep, had her running like a track meet. Damn, RP nip, cause I hustled through the struggle. Creatine addict, I got it off the muscle. Pool full of money and I'm diving in the deep end. About to crash out, better look out weekend. Here I come, here I come, here I come. Made for fun, made for fun. Here I come, here I come. Made for fun, made for fun, made for fun. Slick DJs, slick DJs, slick DJs.
West Coast, then drop the top and roll straight. SMVCC 805 is the go state. Ain't no place that I'd rather be than the BIG, BAD13C. I got love for the place that raised me, even though times get a little crazy. So I gotta give love back, either gangbang, slang, or pull a motherfucking jack. It's all good, cause I'm dropping nice cars. Pretty soon 25 to life spent behind bars. A ruthless lifestyle, cause I'm a son of a gun. I'm only 19, but will I live to see 21? A local motherfucker, so you better step back. Try to pull a jack, I'll feed you bullets for a fucking snack. Pero ahorita que up on the land, they're coming from Detroit, por vida loco sureño.
Two locs smashing deep in my city. Once I'm acting up just because I'm rolling clean in a Chevy. Dark skin Mexican, standing 5'0". Put the pedal to the flow, hit my glass backs roll. Hit the corner with the passion, on my way to the market. T-Dre shotgun with a blunt, ready to spark it. 10:30 in the morning, but I don't care. Hit the switch, lock it up, chronic smoke in the air. Hard glare with my locs on, ready to make some hits. Ready to make some grip with my dope ass lyrics. Stacking up my pay food like regular. And just then, my homie Bones hits me up on my cellular. Feeling to break off a couple rocks from my ass, so I hook it on up as I cruise down the overpass. Hit the stove, filling up my cup to the rim, all the while feeling jail from the bud, so I grin.
When I get lost, feel I've been crossed, she will be my salvation. When I get lost, feel I've been crossed, she will be my salvation.
Now let me introduce the G's, the LOCs. Let me get my sip on as I'm gliding through the breeze. Keep on mashing as the tracks keep dropping. Ain't no stopping when I'm up and hopping. Jump the ride to the side, causing havoc with my homies. Blowing indo smoke, dipping brew to the oldies. Every day, yeah, my life is getting better and better. Blaze a Vega in the morning, then I'm down for whatever. Deluxe pick me up about 11:32. I said I'm down to clamber, what the hell we gonna do? Santa Maria, SMVP scooped up. J Bird, Ray at the CUZ. I got my cousin buzzing in the back. Chronic smoke, hot box full of contact. Now it's time to roll to the pothole and spark another bowl. Let the rag top fold on the 3 times go. Now where we go from here? Keep on mashing through the Central Coast atmosphere. For the things that I do, I know I'm gonna pay the cost. For the reason why I'm gone, for the reason why I'm lost.
Living week by week, living day by day, doing what I gotta do to get my fortune and fame. But I'm lost in a system not made for me, so I'm forced to break rock, straight go for mine. J19 with the Mexicano lemon, throwing up all my colors, red, white to the green. Always looking out just in case fools jump. Time to handle shit and break them off real quick. Take a look around you, fool, then take a close look.